Alright guys, check this out. I got this new almond milk at the grocery store, and it is Earth's Own. So fresh, and it's almond, unsweetened vanilla, and the nutrient panel out. You guys want to read that, pause the video. It's got 1 gram of protein, no sugar. Here are the ingredients if you guys want to read that. It's fortified with vitamins, as you can see. And let's do a quick taste test. This was on sale, by the way. I don't think I've tried this version, or maybe they've just, this is the unsweetened vanilla, so you guys can see the consistency there. Ooh, let's see, that has a nice vanilla taste. So it's not sweet whatsoever. It does have a nice vanilla taste. It is thicker on the consistency, so it's not like water, so that might be better for some people. If you have any questions, comments, guys, post below. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel.